Hi guys, in this video I show you how to add your thermal paste correctly on your CPU in your mainboard. Just put your mainboard with your CPU inside on a stable underground. For example, the mainboard box is a very good underground for this. First you need to clean the surface. I'm using isopropanol from the pharma shop, 100 milliliter, around about €2. And I'm using the MX4 paste. Both of them are toxic material. Don't use it if you are children, only with an adult or professional, so don't use it alone. Alright, first we are cleaning the surface. And yes guys, I'm only using toilet paper. I know some of you maybe don't, but I never had any problems. I'm having here the simple box cooler from AMD with 4 screws. And you also need to have a clean surface right here. I already cleaned it, so it's very clean in my case. Alright, after cleaning both of the surfaces, we are adding the thermal paste. Thermal paste is no joke. If it's not drying in the air, if you don't wash your hands or have the thermal paste on your fingers, you touch door or any furniture in your apartment, it's going to be crazy, no? And it's dangerous. It's poison, yeah? Please be careful. Alright. Just adding enough thermal paste. You can see how much I'm using. I think this should be enough. Alright, so enough thermal paste on the middle, and let's mount the cooler. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time.